Beehiiv offers several ways to monetize your newsletter, helping you turn your email list into a source of revenue. Here's how you can make money with Beehiiv. Paid newsletters. One of the easiest ways to make money is by offering premium, paid subscriptions. Beehiiv allows you to create exclusive content for subscribers who pay for access. Simply set up a paid plan for your newsletter and offer premium content that adds value to your audience. Affiliate marketing. You can include affiliate links in your newsletters to promote products or services. When your subscribers purchase through these links, you earn a commission. Beehiiv makes it easy to add clickable links or call to action buttons in your newsletters. Sponsored content. As your subscriber base grows, you can monetize your newsletter by offering sponsored content. Brands and businesses may pay you to feature their products or services in your newsletter. Use Beehiiv's flexible design tools to incorporate sponsored content seamlessly. Selling products or services. If you offer your own products or services, Beehiiv can be used to promote and sell them directly to your emails. You can include product links, discount codes, and more to drive sales.